Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to enable spam message requests on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the web version on your PC. If you want to have better control over who can message you and how unwanted messages are filtered, this quick guide will walk you through every step. First, open your web browser and go to x.com. Make sure you're signed in to your account before continuing. Once you're on your home page, look at the menu section on the left side of your screen. Next, click on the More icon in the navigation bar. It looks like 3 dots in a circle. This will open an extended menu where you'll find several settings and management options for your profile. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This section contains all the tools you need to manage your account preferences, privacy controls, and message settings. Now, in the Settings and Privacy page, click on Privacy and Safety. This area focuses on how visible your account is, who can contact you, and what kind of content appears in your feed and messages. Once you're in Privacy and Safety, scroll down a bit and choose Direct Messages. This tab controls who can send you messages and how message requests are handled. It's also where you can manage the spam and filter settings. At this point, look for the option called Filter Low-Quality Messages. Turn this option on. Enabling this filter will allow X to automatically separate spam or unwanted message requests from regular ones. Messages that are detected as low quality will move into a separate section, keeping your message inbox more organized and safer from clutter. That's all it takes. You've now enabled spam message requests on X using the new web update. This simple adjustment can make a big difference by filtering out suspicious messages and helping you focus only on the conversations that matter. Thanks for watching.